everyone. My name is Tommy. Today I will recite two poems. First, I will recite Manners by Helen S. Moore. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. Then the way we do what's right. We have manners, we're polite. Now I will recite Fingerplay by Helen S. Moore. 10 fingers, 10 toes, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 lips, 1 nose. Finger tickle, toes can wiggle, eyes can twinkle, nose can wrinkle. 10 fingers, 10 toes, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 lips, 1 nose. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy my recital.